This week, I'm going to be offering some reflections about the difference between what we may want out of life and what comes our way in life. What we want out of life, of course, is our will. It's what we will. It's those things that we desire, our goals, our expectations. Grace is something entirely different. Grace is about surprises. Grace is about receiving blessings that are unmerited. And so I'm going to use a little bit of a play on words on a popular TV show from a few years ago, Will and Grace. So let me say a few words about grace. We're familiar with the grace that we receive in the sacraments when we encounter Christ in baptism, when we encounter Christ in the Eucharist and in confirmation, in the sacrament of marriage, the sacrament of the sick, the sacrament of orders, the sacrament of reconciliation. There we encounter Christ in very powerful and personal and sacramental ways. But we can also encounter grace in everyday life. There are moments that take us completely off guard. There are blessings we receive that seem to come out of nowhere, that come our way. We don't deserve them, but we should learn how to be grateful for them. So I am going to be offering some personal experiences that have happened to me over the last few years that illustrate the difference in my life between will and grace. And I hope that they provide some type of motivation for reflection and meditation for you as well.